It's Thursday. It's cold, a little bit windy. We're all very tired today because we have to do laundry. We have to wake up early because we have a lot of things booked today. So we have to make sure that we do everything on time and then also go back to the center of Florence so we can be on time to our reservations for museums and stuff.
I'm so sorry for not helping me. I think 3 people would be more of a hassle there.
Oh, no one does.
I like that you guys chose the top one and not the bottom one.
No time for that.
You're in 40.
My headphones got ruined that I got from Solace.
We don't know the road.
Had a cup of coffee at this really nice cafe called Bianco C'è, I believe. And yeah, we're just gonna finish up here in about 25 minutes, get started with our day, and I think we're going down, right? To the center, to the museums right after this, and gonna have a good time. All right, we are on the way to our first guided tour. We're really happy that it finally stopped raining. It's nice and sunny. It's really windy. God damn, it's really windy. So I hope you guys can hear me. Got my little mic down here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go on this tour, grab a little lunch afterwards. I don't know if they allow recording in there or not. So if I can, I'll sneak a little video or two in there. But if I can, then we'll catch up a little bit later. Taking a guided tour around the Florence Cathedral. It's very cool. We got the express pass, so we can skip a 4-hour wait time. So that's pretty cool. Wow. We lost Tyler, and I almost got hit by a dude in a tricycle. It's crazy. It was a lady. I almost got hit by a lady in a tricycle. Look at these pigeons. Anyways, we just got out of the cathedral. It was really cool. A lot of Catholic lore that I never knew about. I learned a lot of cool stuff about the paintings in there and you know, all of that good stuff. So we are on the way to get some pizza. I felt inspired after we learned the lore of the Margherita pizza. And now we're on the way to get some pizza and get ready for our next guided tour at the Uffizi. So we'll see how that goes. Ciao. Pizza's so good.
This guy's hella entertaining. I love this.
Mangia pizza, yeah. This guy, the cook back there, he is chefing it up. Super entertaining, keeping us entertained, moving us around, moving mountains. Made us some really good pizza. It's out of focus, there you go. Wow. If you're ever in Florence near Chaso Cosa. Go to this place. Perdón. Go to Mangia Pizza, one of the best little pizza joints we've been to here in Florence. It's really good. The guy working there was running that place really awesome. It was really funny and entertaining, and the pizza was overall really good. Highly recommend it. Interesting. Quite interesting.
Yeah, I don't like it. I'll like it one day.
Okay, let's get a move on. We're going into the Uffizi Gallery, right?
Uffizi.
A gallery? Uffizi Gallery. Uffizi. La Galleria de Uffizi. Something like that. Uffizi. And we're about to go in. Tyler got pooped on. We're gonna go see the statue of David now. Tyler's very excited to see it again. He's kind of giving us a rundown of how it works. Like, it starts off with his old creations leading up to the new one. That's pretty cool. So, waiting in this huge ass line. So, these are all the practice works right there, leading all the way down to the big boss himself, way down there. Way down there. Let me zoom in on that.
Did you get a picture?
I did take a couple of pictures. Yeah, it's the big boss himself, man. Let me not zoom in on his pecker. So, that was pretty cool. Go ahead, Tyler. Continue.
Oh, I'm gonna continue. Okay, so yeah, that was really cool. And we were just talking about how it's okay, I'm gonna stop recording on here so I can do Philly baseball.
No, it's okay. You can keep going.
Yeah, we were talking about how it's really cool and the history is amazing, but it's just crazy. Like, this line here is just absurd, just for a tiny museum.
Y'all are gonna wait more than 3 hours. Just saying. You're in line for 3 hours. Just saying. Yeah, it's a long ass line.
It sucks.
Definitely recommend buying the express pass or skip the line pass. There you go. Or the self-guided tour. No, not the self-guided tour. The guided tour. There you go.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you could be waiting in line for well over 3 hours, which is very unfortunate because, you know, seeing the statue of David in all of its glory is pretty cool. We are back at that gelato place. This place was so good, and I think it serves as a good pick-me-up before we get to our cooking class. You know what I mean?
We're back at the gelato place.
Yeah, we're back at the gelato place.
Your camera looks really good.
It's just, yeah. Oh.
Nice.
But yeah.
So long. Instagram tags for you.
Instagram tags hit this place real hard. You know, I'm so happy for them because they're making a lot of money, I'm sure. But I'm also very sad because I want some.
Yeah, what the heck?
But then again,
Americans
we're part of the problem. You know what I mean? We are the problem.
Qual è la signora? Lei? Ah, lei, la Diana. Dai, lei. Ecco qua.
Grazie. Quattro, cinque,
white and you will not have a very fluffy, okay? So this part is important because it's going to, as you can see, the cream is already becoming very fluffy. Nobody wants, so we just do it quickly. We dip it, we flip it, we dip it, and we're done. And that's all you have to do. Same thing, we dip it, we flip it, we dip it, and we're done. It's already soaked up a lot of coffee from that.
There you go.
Ooh, look at that. Let's go.
Wow. Wow. Wow, we did that.
Nice.
We did this. Us, we made that. We made that right there.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I made this.
Yeah,
Tyler made that.
We made it.
He's
Let's
right
go.
there. Kunal made that.
They fucked mine up. I didn't have a dark spot at first.
So what did you think about the class, Tyler?
Dude, it was that was really cool. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I love this.
It's really cool.
We are here live in the streets of Florence. After having wine, tiramisu, and lots of pasta
We made all of that stuff.
that we made. We're here to report that I am terrible at making pasta. However, Kunal is really good at making pasta. And Felipe is way better than me at making pasta, so therefore he is really good at pasta.
I try my best, man.
Yeah, that was really fun. I very much enjoyed it. It was cool. We were with some very interesting people. Some good, some not so good.
The ones that were very good, though, were amazing.
Hey, they might see this video.
Yeah, hopefully, I don't
Hopefully.
know. But yeah, if you guys are seeing this video, you guys are awesome.
Wait, they probably didn't hear you.
If you guys are seeing this video, you guys are awesome. I'm not gonna say any names, obviously, for personal and anonymity and all of that stuff. But you guys were awesome. Thank you guys. What do you think of the class?
The class was great. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I think I did an amazing job. As I said to Felipe and Tyler during the class, every time I cook, I impress myself. This is nothing new. I'm the master chef. I am him.
Yeah, no, that class was really fun. I didn't expect myself to have that much fun. And they shared the recipes with us at the very end, so it was really cool.
You know, I'm not cold. We don't have to walk fast.
Yeah, it's fine.
We don't have to walk fast. I'm not.
Tyler got pooped on earlier, and he doesn't have a jacket anymore, and he's kind of cold.
Earlier,
Yeah. But anyways, that class was really fun.
you don't know if they'll meet like good people too.
Yeah, no, definitely. We met some amazing people in that class, and a lot of the people there in that class were really fun. But point is, the class was really fun. Highly recommend it. I want to go do it again. There's something going on over here. I don't know what it is. It looks like a club or whatever, or I think it's just gelato. But point is, class was really fun. I'm just rambling on at this point, and today I didn't really film too much, just because we're kind of like moving around all over the place. I'm kind of just filling this all in right now. But I guess just enjoy like a night walk back home from the class. You know what I mean? To our hotel room and stuff like that. Yeah, they're going ham in there. This is nice. Look at this. All over the place. Oh look, there's a little fucking carousel over there. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Class was fun. Met great people. But tomorrow we might do some I don't know. We're still trying to figure out. Yeah, I'm still talking, man. I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point. We're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. I don't know yet, but hopefully we can do something fun.
Yeah, we gotta figure that out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out tonight. No worries.
Yes.
Yeah. Once Tyler gets home, gets his jacket, takes a poop or something, we'll be fine.
Yeah.
I need to take a poop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.